Hello everybody! I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a while and I have been busy kasi kakalipat lang namin dito sa aming new apartment. And this video was taken May 8 when we got this parcel from Amazon. So ang base price niya is $5,499. Tapos $672 after tax. So, ang gusto ko nga dito sa couch na to ay boneless siya. So, kahit tumalon ka dyan ng tumalon, hindi masasaktan yung tuhod mo.
Apparently those take a little bit
Time?
what's that?
Ganito siya. This came with 2 boxes. Yung isa ay chase, tas yung isa is main couch. Bago namin bilhin tong couch na to, pinag-isipan muna namin. Nagpunta kami sa mga furniture stores dito sa IKEA. Pero masyado siyang mahal, tapos mas maliit siya. Meron pang kahoy sa loob. At gusto ko talaga kasi yung soft. So, sabi ko, maningin muna tayo online. Tapos nahanap namin ito. Hindi na masama for $600 something, right? Nung una, akala ko hangin yung loob niya. Pero nung tiningnan ko yung description, para siyang set of foam sa loob. Iba't iba. So sabi ko, oh, okay. Tapos naiiba siya, pwede siyang maging love couch. Lay it flat and then wait. Pwede kayong manood, pwede siyang maging bed din. Pinagdikit mo, like ganito. Kasi detachable siya. I think this is the bigger part. Oh, I'm so confused. Ooh, so fast naman. Oh, wow.
Warning: to avoid danger or suffocation, keep bag away from babies and children. Do not use.
We don't have that. Ang haba pala niya. Oh, mahaba siya. From here to there. Kasyang-kasya ako. Isang higa ako yan. You can fall asleep there, you know. I will invite my friends and party here. We have a couch now. Hindi pa nag-i-inflate yung mga pillows. Ewan ko kung kailan, pero hopefully mag-inflate sila. Do we put this here? How do we put it?
Just go like this.
Ah, okay. Ah,
The
okay.
little round part goes on the back.
Ah, round part.
Because then that goes to a
Part.
so you can lay back.
Yan. Tapos ito, dito lang siya sa tabi. Yan. Ah, okay. Ah. I thought it's attached.
No.
Ah, okay. Sige. So we cannot use this today, hey?
No, not today.
So ito na siya. Ang aming bagong couch. Ano siya, buong ganyan. Na hanggang tuhod. Lagpas tuhod. Wow! Napaka-foam niya. Ano siya, buong ganyan. Malaki naman, pwedeng magtulog. So guys, we're on our way to Vernon to pick up our kitten. Sana mag-work ang lahat. Kasi nag-expect. Parang hindi ko pa din mag-sink in sa ulo ko. Meron naman kami sa Pilipinas. So, iba kasi dito i-treat ang mga pets. Ano sila? Very hands-on talagang parang yung mga pets. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas na kahit ano lang, kalat-galat mo dyan sa lapit ng mga. Right?
Opo.
So, sa likod, sorry, to where we're going is 25 minutes. Or, yeah, I think it's almost 30 minutes. Yeah. Ako, madadagdagan ng responsibilidad but at the same time, masaya naman kasi meron magmamahal sa'yo. Meron magmamahal sa'yo ng tunay na alam mo talagang tunay yung pagmamahal sa'yo. Ganon. Tingnan natin ang power ng iPhone 17 Pro. This is 17 ganyan pag magbi-video, ganyan kalinaw. Yan yung itsura ng Okanagan. Is this Okanagan Lake? Yan yung Kalamalka Lake. Magkaiba yung kulay. Dalawang color ng lake. Hindi nagkahalo. Yan o. Ito yung papuntang Vernon. Yes. Ganda ng view. Guys, we got our fur baby. We don't have a name yet. We're still thinking about the name. But, yeah, he's super sweet. It's just a bumpy road. I'm so sorry. We're here at Vernon now. Going back home with our new family member. Hello, cutie boy. You're so cute. You're so cute. I so love na may mapapagtripan na naman ako. Of course, not in a bad way. In a funny way. Diba, Bebs? Diba, baby? Ha? It's pinkish now. The nose. Oh, maybe it's just on camera. We're home. And we're eating Subway.
With our son. Our second son. Elliot.
Second son.
Yeah.
Oh! I'm sorry, son! Yung isa naming anak. Ayun na. Stuffed toy. Si Salty. Andun siya pa siya sa loob ng cage. Ayaw pa niyang lumabas. Okay. His first meal. Enjoy your treats. Sarap po. He's eating. Oh. What a relief. Honey is eating the food that we got for him. The dry one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. What a relief. Jeez.
That's good.
Yung liquid treats siya. Para kumain. Inano ko kanina, binuksan ko kasi ayaw lumabas nung cage.
Good.